is my day 2 in Seoul. Yesterday was fun. Got to the Namsan Tower and the Dongdaemun History Park and everything. Today planning to go to the palace and dress up in a hanbok. So let's see how that pans out. Really looking forward to it. I think that's like the thing to do. So yeah, let's hope it's all good. Woohoo! Ciao! Today I'll be exploring with Daisy, a friend from my hostel, and we are now trying to find the right shop to rent a hanbok near the Gyeongbokgung Palace. Came here after finding this place on Google with good reviews. While there were other places that quoted lesser price for longer hours, those just included the hanbok and everything else was an extra add-on. So paying 24,000 won here for the whole package seemed like a good deal overall. And the next stop is visiting a photo booth, which happened to be right next to the hanbok shop, and this was a really cool experience. You first need to choose which color booth you want. Further to that, the entire process was automated. Depending on the frames we chose, it costed between 4,000 to 5,000 won. You can also directly pay by inserting your card. The uber cool part was that you get a QR code on your photo card with which you can access the video montage of all your clicks. And now that we were all geared up with the costumes, it's now time to head to the palace. The palace entry fee is 4,000 Korean won, but if you wear a hanbok, the entry is free. This is how we are, and we are now going to the village. I'm not getting the names at all. The Bukchon Hanok Village,
Yeah.
something of that sort. So how has it been so far, Daisy?
Amazing. Stunning.
I know, it's so beautiful everywhere. It's insane. Yeah, but let's get to the village. It's street food time, and today I'll be trying the tteokbokki and fish cake for the first time in Korea. It wasn't very appetizing for me since I wasn't fond of the rice cake's chewy texture, but it was still a good dish overall. We came to this really cute souvenir store in the area, and oh my god, look at all of these collectibles. It's a shopper's paradise. Alright, so we just finished a whole day wearing these beautiful outfits, and we are now finally walking back to the rental place because it was allowed only for 4 hours. Yes, but it's all so beautiful.
and it's mind-numbingly beautiful. Like I literally want to cry because everywhere I look, it's pretty. It's insane. Don't you agree?
I agree. Absolutely stunning.
Insane. All right.
We're now heading to one-of-a-kind raccoon cafe by bus.
Fifth floor. Look at how excited she is to see a raccoon. I mean, that's kind of the main reason that she came to Korea, which is kind of crazy. Go for it.
Someone keeps doing that. He's so greedy. Oh.
Let's do this. So, how was your experience?
Best experience of my whole life.
I'm standing
Best
over.
experience of my whole life.
We are now heading to the Tuksom Hangang Park to see the drone light show that's happening at 8 p.m. and you can see that all this crowd is rushing there for the same. This was a breathtaking experience with 1,000 drones displaying art-related concepts owing to the Van Gogh exhibition happening in the city.
Oh my god.
So my friend brought these popular salted butter rolls and oh my god, it was delicious max. And not to forget, it was lovely to see the locals having their cute little picnics at these riverside parks with their friends and family. And for our final stop of the day, we are heading to the food street in Jongno. This place is known for its bustling pochas, also known as tent stalls or street bars, which I've seen plenty in K-drama of course. And to top off an amazing fun-filled day, we went to a durebang or a karaoke room. It was quite expensive and everything was in Korean, but we still managed to find some English songs and ended up having quite a bit of fun.